I'm Pravin Sonawane. My company name is Knight Industries. It is located in Aurangabad. I have started my firm in 2021. I currently have 5 machines of LMW, 4 CNC and 1 VMC. Currently, I'm producing four-wheeler engine parts like gears, shafts, and other material. I have selected LMW machines because they are the best in the industry. See, first I have heard about LMW, but I didn't know anything about this industry. Okay, then I researched, I asked around, they said that LMW is the best. Why? I didn't know that time. But now I have machines from past 2 years. Okay, I'm producing uh, each and every part within tolerance of 8 micron, and I don't have any problem with producing as compared to other machines. Like my friends have many machines, but they are always complaining that I got more rejection, I got more maintenance, but I don't have any problems like that. There are few challenges I face on everyday basis, like accuracy, which is most, then repeatability, and third is machine breakdown. In past 2 years, I have only 2 breakdowns. Second, accuracy is good. See, I have contract with LMW, service contract with LMW, so I never got any problem. So my production is flawlessly going. For giving an example for success of machine, there are few parts I produce which are critical, and my complete city cannot produce that. And I'm single source for that parts. Why I could do this? Only because of LMW machines, because they can produce within very low tolerance. So I can consider it good way. After sales support is very good because there are a few things my people didn't know. So I followed up your service persons. They came here, immediately came here and give training to my people, like how to, like everything from scratch to advanced level. They completely provide minor details about the machines and the programming and the microcontroller, everything. My expectations is you can develop any CRM system which can help user or owner of the company to monitor each and every production or vector or everything about machine. And if you can need it in machine price, not like subscription, but machine price, that will be good.